Okay, so in this video we are going to be looking at a couple of things you need to prepare yourself ready to make your training videos or demo videos and stuff like that. So there's a couple of things we need to, before we actually get into making the videos, and I'm going to show you where you can go and some different options for doing that as well. So the first thing we want is like an intro. Okay, so you don't really have to have an intro, but it makes things look a lot nicer and a lot more branded and stuff like that, and it's super easy, super quick and super cheap to get one of those done. So to do that, we just go to IntroChamp. Okay, this is a really cool site. I've used it a million times. This is one option you got. It says $4.98 there. I think it's about $5 something to get it in full HD, which I always go for. Now, there's millions and millions of these to choose from. As you can see, 39 pages there. You can view by category. There's absolutely tons. I'll even do outros. I didn't know that. I've never used one of those. So let's just grab it. Let's just look at the very first one here. Let's just pause it. So there you go, $5.98 for the 1080p. So you may as well go for that that one there. So with all of these, basically, you can customize it and have a look at it before. Let's just turn the volume off so I can play it a couple of times before you actually buy it. So your large text copy goes here. So this could be your cool app name would go there. Then your site here would be yourcoolapp.com. Okay, images, then we can throw in a logo. Let's just see if I can find a logo somewhere. Let's have a look somewhere. Let's have a look in here. Okay, let's use that one just for an example. So put a logo. You can change the audio if you want to, but I wouldn't worry about that. Let's hit save and preview. Not a robot. Okay, so what it's going to do is give us a quick preview. The quality, and it's got a watermark in it, is really, really bad, but it's just enough so you can see what it looks like. So hopefully that's going to hurry up. While that's doing, this is an option that I would suggest you could use Fiverr for, but to be honest, IntroChamp is way quicker and easier. It only takes a few minutes and it's straight to your inbox straight away. What service are you looking for? Just go intro, video intro there, and there'll be loads of people here that will edit After Effects templates and stuff for you. Okay, but you'll have to wait for those to come through. Some of them charge you a lot of money for the HD ones in comparison to IntroChamp, but I'm just showing you that's an option. There's millions and millions of them on Fiverr as well. That's just one option, but to be honest, IntroChamp here is so good. So you can see okay, so you can see it gives you that preview there, with your logo and your text in it or whatever. This IntroChamp is a watermark, and like I say, well, it says here the preview quality has been reduced. So when you actually get that come through to your inbox, then it is top quality as well. So all you do is you customize the one you want, have a look at it, see if it is what you want, click order now. There's a quick form to fill in. You can use PayPal to purchase that, and then usually within maybe 5 or 10 minutes it says rendering. It drops you on a page and it says rendering. There's a little link and it says when your video is ready you can click this link, and it emails the link to your inbox as well. So that's your intro. Now the other thing you will want, or you should get, is some music, some background music. Now there's probably loads of places where you can go and search for royalty-free music and stuff like that, but personally I would get yourself some decent music, and we can go to Graphic River, or not Graphic River, it's actually Envato Market, but they do all kinds of things. you can get to the same place. If we just go back to their main thing, this is where you can buy graphics, After Effects, videos, code, themes, all kinds of stuff from here if you're not aware of this. So if we click that main one, go back, because I started at Graphic River. Every month, oh, it is actually, let's go to Audio Jungle. This is where all the music is. Every month they do a free download. So here's music, here's a free theme, here's an After Effects template, here's a Photoshop Actions, and here's a free code. So every month they've got free items to give away. Let's just have a look at this music here.
Audio Jungle.
Okay, so that's absolutely perfect. That would be great background music. You can see it's usually $39, but we can download it free. I'm going to download this because I haven't downloaded this month's free music. I like to keep a good collection of music. So there's the free one. Otherwise, if you don't want the free one, or if the free one's no good by the time you're watching this video, we can just search, you know, stuff like background music. It'll bring up a ton of different musics. You can demo them. Let's just demo this one. This is the kind of thing where you can spend hours and hours looking at stuff. I've done that myself. It's a good idea to switch this to bestsellers, because you quite often get the best things there. $19, that's about the average price. Of course, they do go up. Moving forward, you can get music kits, so you can get packs of music that come with, you know, these are $39, but they come with various tracks. So it's like a pack of music if you're going to be pushing out a lot of videos, maybe for your social media and stuff, just showing you different options there. So yeah, basically we need an intro and we need some background music ready for when we're making our training videos. Okay, so you know, if you download the free one from Audio Jungle and you get your intro from Intro Champ, then that's just going to cost you $6 to do that. Okay, and it'll make your videos look a lot better and a lot nicer, and have that little bit of background music in the background there. Okay guys, so that's it for this video, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.